Este Robin Soweka is a difficult chairman Zageloi. Amalagira Joe Giroe. Amira Tagabachi was Ojiabova Azajola Dido. But are you about so lucky as that? Fully, but Hari Ajilani, Boskira Gaho, yeah, but I didn't export it. Momina Azajola de Lunga, Manala Dui. Moment Azulagi Yangi that Nakonaya again, Pohagiro Mado, Haima, Obanaga, Bane Hoja. Songa his Maga Giro Mado, Mana, Moa, Hayoa, Hizaga, Neta, Bohalagi bit, Moidonga, Bahangi Magasi, Hualagio, Nak Hualagin, Ufachagin, Moidomada, Hayoa, Neta. Bohalagata, Hizia, Sibumahi Longa, Oesman, Chamanitazov, Hayua, Chulada, Abogin, Bonayagin, Tibenetti, no what, Exten Lagis Kodaruma, Oesan, Avon Lagabas Sagai Hosit, doors up, Mabohes, Oesan, Nakobanazaga, Hayo, man, Javanitos, Ashahors and Aleromara Kitty babies go at a get a Louis. Moin Obonaga, Hayo Bonahoya, Najosi, Hagi Bironga, Mahanga, Ojaga, Hilton, Hilizunga, Oazen. Me the Goaga always my money tagi, my Gitlida, Yazak to Hanido. Nakida Mihoja, Gitagirundo as my Bonaga Naktuinra Gitli scope, but I how cold was it? Those as Gitlang no Ponaya get Muang and no, those are. Stibane Louis, Maho Giromada, Adam Magazi Mat Amidawa Gazi as a Ojiabova man Chabujari man Ajola de Lunga man Nago Obanaga Onayaga de Lunga man Naxtimanaho Edi man. Who let her go away though? Always man. So Lakoda Bonaga Nak Eyaskira Anagiska Manozak not among us the Duis Manga again. Always not among them man. Tiberas man. Hulidaya Hiliruis go Girunga. Ayui, Nakayui, Obaraga, Izaga, Tozast, and that, as Rakosata, I exudo, Obanaga as Gita, the OS, Tozamo, Chahozidunga, Hayu Punaya, Toza, Stivik Songion Gazigis, and that, Maho Gazi, Manhudunga, Mangia, Umbarayo, Onayasi. Cholako, Migos up Kuzogo, Moida Oasin, but Steve Cat, Timalagina, Timalavades, Timalagi Vidido, Kitagin, Ayua, Toza, Tizongi Birunga, Tanadero, Kezagin, Kitlagon, Abohagin. Man fully lunga. Man Hangoja, Torobi Hangi, Tovangiroa, Kowak. Ajaxomoja Hosian, Mingos of Kojogo, Arlen. Always and Gazera Heliskurundo as West did Lapoyon, Hangit, Alidomado. Not Magin or Magin, whack to me. Wake ma hangoa ma chonga ko wana. Ali be ruidok. Wana ka ho se me ko zap ko zo nage me ma ko zo no ga. Ra ga ho ja man ale ro modok. Dia de bona ka pona ya no a. Tian ho I ro modok. Pona ka mara ya ma ko zo ka pona isko ros stege ho jen. Moment Orsang oven, zo toilet oven. Jabojara is Jabosi. Tiet kimonaga pona in puha no mo stian hoid alla gilomado. Always and man ponaga tovadi was in that tiet kimonaga kiteri kit logolos. Always what piragi ujiri. Dosa mahayagen, kitlagen, fullilum mara, weekend, wagaris go away do. Dosa kitlagin on do as in Moi ma jaskiragi, but Manamponayage, Marongas is Timbonai, who is Rumado. Ayo at the Ambiragira, but Dead Kimanakangos, Stimbonai, who is dog. Yep. Mahago, the Jadab Ma was only Maho Gazi, Manitagos. Those I get long, not Abino, and he looks to his school. Ya yo I mijaga simaraskos a dos go longa. Moin Obananga, I was only asked to get CS, run hanging out, West go, Lispoi best, Madoji Gazes. My name is Robin Soweka. Most everybody knows me by Chub in from what I heard, my grandpa Lewis, he named me that. His name was Lewis, but most people knew him by Sigolo. They called him that. I grew up around the Raleigh area. I'm still living there, and hearing this program, the language program, trying to teach the young ones the language. You could offer the language, but the children, they got to be willing to learn. They can learn all kinds of electronic games. They put their mind to it like they do them games into the language. They pick up a little bit, and as they grow, pick up a little more. Then some they tend to learn, but they don't speak it. They could just say a few words to each other, and some are afraid they get laughed at, but saying the wrong thing. But people do the laughing. That's the one that's hurting the most, because they don't know anything that much. But we got to keep, I say we, the ones, I guess, the ones that could speak, try to help any way we can, just pick them up and encourage them. And myself, there's simple words I say daily, but somebody asks me about it, I'll forget. Then it'll stay in my mind till I remember what it is. It's simple words too, and it's kind of, I don't know. It's where I'm getting old or what. But anyways, just keep it. Well, the elders back in the day, they foretold the language going to be lost, along with a lot of other things. And they come into play. You might be years, but you see certain things, what they tell you, and it comes into play. And the world is getting old, and like I said, I'm a ceremonial ground person, but I believe in the church too, in the word of that. And there's what was said, like I said, it's coming true, and it's getting closer. There's a lot of changes, the weather, any little thing, but a lot of people just carry on like nothing, but they got to make up their own mind. But today I just was in it to that pofanga neta simanasko sa pombali ya tokagi hizia maroge jibirunga. And I like to end it right there, just say maro. Thank you.